Memory. Yung kay the one gameplay on the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, okay? So akin na ako yun. Ako matapigin this pa start. Regular.
Golden Eagle Actual, Shadow 1 is weapons hot. We're burning daylight here.
Copy, Graves. Stand by. Laswell, do we have confirmation?
Watcher 1 to Bravo 07. You in position?
Nearly there.
Ghost game. Tara the graphic ayun ng update. Nakakari on PS5.
That's General Gabrani.
Right on time. Now get up there and let's see what he's up to in the middle of nowhere.
I'm eyes on.
What do you see?
Armed personnel, armor and hardware, all Russian.
What the hell are the Russians doing with Gorbrani?
Supply in Iran. It's an arms deal.
You copying this, Shadow 1?
Affirmative. 2 birds, 1 stone.
We need positive ID on Gabrani before we kick this off, boys.
Ghost, can you identify the general?
Armed escorts around one VIP. Russians are very happy to see him.
It'll be the last time they do.
Ang tatagi game. Yeah.
Visual on General Gabrani.
Copy. All stations target confirmed.
Shadow 1, you are cleared hot for launch.
Roger that, Actual. Ghost, you are danger close to the zone. This arrow's gonna pack a punch.
Copy approved. Send in.
All stations, Shadow 1. Missile is ready for immediate delivery. Stand by for launch. Coordinates in. Target designated. 2, 1. Shot out! Missile is
Tomahawk. Tomahawk.
Target acquired. This will take some manual guidance to hold her. Missile bearing northeast at 065 degrees at Mach 3. Altitude 500 meters.
Right in the pocket. Stay with it.
Check. Coming in hot. Brace for impact. Time to target. 5 seconds. Termination in 3, 2, 1.
You put it there and there.
Target acquired. This will take some manual guidance to hold her. Missile bearing northeast at 065 degrees at Mach 3. Altitude 500 meters.
Is that right?
Right in the pocket. Stay with it.
Check. Coming in hot. Brace for impact. Time to target. 5 seconds. Termination in 3,
2, 1. Direct. Target destroyed.
Hey, Modern Warfare 2 game.
Come in. Laswell.
General Shepard.
Oh, I know that look. Are we at war?
You would be the first to know, sir.
Damn right I would. Talk to me.
We have a hit on Gabrani's second in command.
Hassan Zayani, Quds Force Major.
He's taken up the mantle for Iran.
Supplying terrorists.
Money, weapons, intel.
Well, he's ambitious.
He's dangerous, sir. He wants retaliation for the Gabrani strike. He's planning something.
Well, we can't take him in Iran.
He's not in Iran, sir. He's on the ground in Al-Mazrah.
What the hell is he doing in Al-Mazrah?
There is only one way to find out, sir.
Well, let's get him.
When?
What time is it now?
Who do we send?
Wheels up in 5.
Roger.
Marines are loading in now. You and the sergeant are leading the way on this.
Sergeant.
So McTavish.
Let's get ourselves a win, yeah, LT? Save your seat, sir.
Fucking hell. Ghost, you copy?
Yes, sir.
Any issues?
Negative, sir. Out here.
Airstrikes are hitting enemy positions bordering Al-Mazrah. Intel confirms a concentration of AQ fighters converging in the valley. We believe they're protecting something. Surveillance indicates soldiers guarding 3 structures. Major Hassan may be holed up inside. Ghost and Soap will lead a Marine Special Operations unit to kill or capture Hassan tonight. One helo will insert 2 teams at separate offset points bordering the target area. Bravo team will sweep and clear buildings 1 and 2. Alpha team takes building 3. All shooters have execute authority, but we want Hassan alive for interrogation. Be advised, Major Hassan is AQ's lifeline. If he is there, they will die for him. Good hunting.
Bravo team offloads here. Alpha team stays on board to land downrange. Both teams meet in the middle. Remember, we want Hassan alive. But this is capture or kill.
Capture or kill. Ayan. Sama ba?
Keep up, so.
Razor 1, all Bravo deployed. Secondary HO.
All stations, Racer 1 is bracketed, we're getting lit. Incoming! Flares! Flares!
Shit, that was close.
Second missile!
Oh, fuck! Racer 1 going down! We're going down!
Hold up.
Alpha, what's your status? Alpha, how copy?
Bravo! Alpha is immobile. Multiple critical. Shit! We're taking effective fire!
Alpha, we're moving to building 1. Hold tight.
Ghost, we need to secure that crash site now.
First we clear for Hassan. That takes the heat off Alpha. Then we secure the crash site. Clear?
Roger that.
Let's move.
Force up to the house.
So sad.
Retrap. Sweep through!
First day clear. Negative on Hassan.
Copy that.
Roger.
Contact! Building 2!
Hey.
Bravo, move on building 2.
Bravo! Crash site is taking RPGs from building 2. Second deck.
Alpha, taking building 2 now. Hold fast.
7-1, moving interior.
Pushing up the second deck. 7-1, moving to second deck.
هذا راح من ده. أخي اقتل كل واحد بيمر من هون. I'm hit.
Flashbang. No?
Ghost, enemy rockets down.
Solid copy. Good work.
The West must pay for a century of hostile acts against us. Together, we will avenge the death of General Kubrani. سوف ننتقم للغاية. If the world courts do not we will take matters in our own hands at the time and place of our choosing. الانتقام هو خيارنا الوحيد. We hold your soldiers and generals.
Ghost, building 2 secure.
Roger. Time to hit the crash site.
Got a video for San in here.
Sounds the hero.
They're gonna need a new hero.
You good, mate?
Yeah, plate stopped it. These are fuckers that hit Alpha.
Aye. Now we can secure the crash site.
So Bravo, circle up our side to help the wounded. Rest of you, hold here and cover us. Raj.
Alpha 02, Bravo 07, building 2 secure. We're coming to you.
Alpha copies all. Expect contact. AQ's waiting for us.
Blue! Damn good to see you guys. We got 5 KIA, 1 wounded. It's just my gun, and I'm low on ammo. Help me move him.
No time. They're here. Get your gun on that tree line.
You see anything?
Got movement.
Engage! Shooters at the wall!
You called it, LP.
RPG! Fuck! Get your gun up! Getting close. Cover the ramp. They're pushing up. Let's move it. Right. X-ray down. Dusted him. Moving.
We clear? For now. Stay sharp on that tree line.
So, post up in the helo.
Incoming. Take cover.
Hey. Thank you.
We clear? For now. Stay sharp on that tree line.
They're still moving out there.
7-6, call for fire. I want close air on that tree line. So, get back to the helo.
Hey, we got smoke at the tree line.
No visual.
Yeah, I don't see shit. Incoming! Take cover! No movement. You good, Soap?
I'm good.
2-3 got hit. He's gone. 7-2, I need you up here now.
Raj, moving.
Ghost, we should fall back to the house.
Negative. We hold or we push forward. Hassan's still out there. 7-6, patch us through to air support.
Raj, stand by.
7 actual, Kilo 01. Fire is 1 mic out.
Kilo 01, you're cleared hot on anything forward of our position. Danger close approved.
Roger that.
Shit, what now?
LT, we got armored vehicles incoming. There's 4 of them.
Conserve your ammo. Let them get close.
Here they come.
Stand by to engage. Get ready. Cut 'em down.
Hassan turned HQ into a fucking army.
All Bravo. Kilo 01 is inbound hot. Danger zone.
Air support's on station.
Kilo 01, good hit! Good hit!
We clear?
Fucking hope so. All clear.
Kilo 01, no movement in the area. Thanks for the assist.
Roger that, 7-6. Kilo 01, going into holding pattern.
7-6, task a bird for casualty evac. Raj.
Get yourself sorted. Hassan is still a target.
Aye. Let's go get this fucker.
Alpha, you're with us.
Roger that, Lieutenant.
Let's move out. Those fuckers used us as bait, didn't they? They're well supplied and fighting smart. Thanks to Hassan.
Aye. Looks like you were right, LT. You think Hassan's still here?
Heli crash gave them an opening. Let's see if they took it.
My boys are still on station.
Keep them on standby. We're moving in. Visual on building 3. That's our target. Hassan could be inside. Man down! AQ sniper on the roof. Get down!
Sniper down.
More snipers on the roof. Take them out. Who's hit?
7-4 is down.
How the fuck are they seeing us? AQ's got night vision. We're sitting ducks out here. Soap, take the shot. Soap, hit the dirt.
Got another.
Good shot. Soap, keep us covered. We're moving up.
AQ's dug in here. Whatever they're defending, it's fucking big.
Shoot up out here! We're not getting through here without air support! 7-6, I want fire on that building now!
Ghost, we don't know if Hassan's in there.
They're forcing our hand. 7-6, hit that building, but don't level it. Kilo 01, call for fire. Target is in the building ahead of us. Do not level the building.
7-6, copy that. Making our run.
Still in one piece.
Several pieces will do. Easier to find that way. All Bravo, move up. I want this building locked down. Lead us in, Sergeant. Let's find Hassan, dead or alive.
Seven 1, moving interior. Fucking hell.
Check the bodies. We need positive ID on Hassan.
Smoked one.
Anyone outside on Hassan?
Negative on Hassan.
Negative. No eyes on the HVT. Starting my sweep on the first deck. Negative. These guys are Hassan.
Dropped one. SS neutralized.
Pushing first deck.
Heading up to the second deck.
Pushing to second deck.
Got 2 X-rays. Not Hassan. Hassan's everywhere.
Everywhere but here. Hostile down. Lads, sneaky little gets are everywhere. Threat eliminated.
He was here. This is a bloody op center. Poke around, so. Look about. See what you can find.
Look, Hassan's uniform. So he was here.
Lost him when we secured the crash site.
Are you saying we shouldn't have helped?
Choices have consequences.
All Bravo, we got movement out here.
On the way. All Bravo, circle up outside.
If Hassan's gone, then what the hell are they still protecting?
Let's find out. What we got? Warehouse. Roll-up doors open. Heard something inside. Copy. Let's clear it.
Contact!
Clear?
All clear.
Search it. Let's find what they were hiding.
This warehouse wasn't on the intel.
What the fuck is this?
It's all in English.
Steaming Jesus.
Ballistic missiles.
It's a mobile launcher.
These will go 1,000 miles.
Yeah, at least.
How the hell did Iran get their hands on this?
7-6. Get us through to Laswell.
Roger, stand by. Bravo 7-6 Charlie to Watcher 1. How copy?
This is Watcher 1, send traffic.
Laswell, this is Ghost. We got something.
Tell me you found Hassan.
Ghost. Take a look at this.
Ghost, do you have Hassan?
Negative. We found a weapons cache. Hassan's got missiles. They're American.
07, this is Gold Eagle. Actual, repeat your last.
I'll say again. Hassan has American missiles.
All right, clear the room. Let's go. Everybody out, now. Iran is in possession of American missiles.
American missiles in AQ's hands.
Hassan has been passing out our ballistic missiles like it's fucking Halloween, and we didn't know about it?
Gives Iran plausible deniability.
Oh, deniability my ass. Iran's all over this. I want to know how many they have and where they intend to use them.
If Hassan is moving missiles, he has a smuggling partner.
Well, then I would advise you to find out who that is.
Give my team 2 hours with those missiles, sir. I will know everybody who's ever breathed on them.
Negative. I want them destroyed.
General, there's valuable intel there.
This is an intelligence failure, Laswell. It's not gonna be a tactical one. There will be 500 enemy soldiers on that site by sunrise. We need a win fast. Gold Eagle actual to Ghost. Move your team and call for fire. I want those weapons destroyed.
Roger that, actual.
Amsterdam.
What the hell's Amsterdam got to do with this?
It's a smuggling hub. Ports and canals are insecure. Iran has friends there. We do too.
That's the first good news I've heard all day.
I'll link up with him and handle this myself, sir.
Kate Laswell back in the field?
I want this done right. No mistakes.
My sentiments exactly. Kate, I want Hassan boxed up and gift wrapped. Until then, you keep this tight.
Naturally, sir.
What's your ETA?
Less than an hour. Where are you now?
Canals. Under a bridge, watching an AQ boat.
Is it carrying a missile container?
Negative. Not this one.
Well, let's hope it leads to the one that does.
I'll be in touch. Guys, you set?
Good day, Cap.
Let's get after it. Right, that's where we're in position.
Copy, John. What do you got?
Got AQ loading cargo into a barge.
That's your target. Get aboard and find out who they're working with.
Rog. Sentries on the perimeter.
Yeah, AQ guards all over the docks.
You'll need to take them out to get to the barge. You two get to work. Out.
All right, let's split up. I'll take the outside. You clean up the docks. Stay quiet. I'll meet you at the barge.
Check. On you, Cap.
Ay, wrap up mo ano di. Timon gameplay. Sa mga risa yun ako na rin mga check din na mga check rin yun.
Nicely done, boss.
One more on the first pier. Rog,